OnePlus 12R is a sleek and stylish built smartphone. Being just about 207 grams, it feels substantially yet comfortable in hand. The 6.78-inch AMOLED Pro XDR display is a visual treat, offering a resolution of 2780 by 1264 pixels with a sharp PPI of 450. The screen delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. With a 120Hz of dynamic refresh rate and a 1000Hz of touch response rate, everything from scrolling to gaming is buttery smooth. The display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability against scratches and drops. Performance-wise, this smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 mobile platform coupled with the Adreno 740 GPU. This combination delivers lightning-fast performance whether you're multitasking or running graphic-intense apps. The device comes with two configurations, 8GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM paired with 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Both variants ensures that you have ample of memory and storage for all your apps, games, and files. The battery life is impressive too. The OnePlus 12R houses a 5500 mAh dual-cell battery that supports 100 watts of Super Whoop fast charging. This means you can quickly top up the battery and get back to your day without long wait. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS and EIS support, ensuring sharp and stable images. It's accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 112 degree of field of view and a 2-megapixel macro lens for close-up shots. The camera supports 4K video recording at 60 FPS and super slow motion at 1080p and 240 FPS. The front camera is a 16-megapixel shooter that also supports 1080p video recording, making it perfect for selfie and video calls. In terms of connectivity, the OnePlus 12R is well equipped. It supports dual nano SIM and a wide range of network bands, including 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC are all supported, ensuring fast and stable connections across the board. The device also features dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. Running on the Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14, the OnePlus 12R offers a clean, intuitive user interface with plenty of customization options. The device also includes a host of useful features like face unlock, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and advanced audio and video playback options. Now in the box you will find the OnePlus 12R, a 100-watt Super Whoop power adapter, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, a SIM tray ejector, a protective case, and other essential documents to get started. Overall, the OnePlus 12R is a powerhouse device that combines sleek design and a stunning display, top-tier performance, and versatile cameras, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a new premium smartphone. This phone is definitely for you.